Allama Iqbal is our national poet and philosopher born in Sialkot town on 9th November 1877. He wrote poetry in Urdu and Persian language. Mr. President, this poetry is considered to be among the greatest of the modern era. His vision of independent state of the Muslims of British India. Allama Iqbal is our national hero and poet. He wrote lots of poetry for us such as बच्चे की दुआ, मकड़ा और मक्खी, हमदर्दी, पहाड़ और लहरी. These are the most famous and interesting poetry for children. Allama Iqbal, great leader of Muslims. Allama Iqbal died in Lahore and he is buried near the Badshahi Masjid in Lahore. And his ideas lived down after him. कोई काबिल हो तो हम शाने कहीं देते हैं, कोई काबिल हो तो हम शाने कहीं देते हैं, ढूंढने वालों को दुनिया भी नहीं देते हैं. At the end of my speech, I would like to say that Allama Iqbal have a lots of love with Prophet Muhammad Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said that कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या अल्लाह कलम तेरे हैं.